Hi, I'm Megan. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be doing a super quick and easy sewing project. I'm going to make a headband out of an old satin pillowcase. So my friend gave me this pillowcase that she really didn't use much. I like the black and white floral print, and my plan for this is to make a headscarf, headband, hair accessory, whatever you want to call it. I'm actually going to make two, and I'm going to give her one. Let me show you how to do this. I have my cutting mat here, I have a ruler, and I have my rotary cutter, and I'm gonna cut this pillowcase apart. If you wanted to seam rip the side seams, you could. If you wanted to seam rip this edge here to get a little more fabric, you could. I'm just gonna cut these edges off. Cut away the hemmed edge of the pillowcase opening. Then the side seams. I had to fold the pillowcase in half to cut them off in one easy go. And then cut the pillowcase in half. So I have two big long strips like this, basically my wingspan. If you want to, you could put the short ends together like this. And then cut an angle across, which you know what I think I'm gonna do. Let me do that quick. Okay, so keep the edges blunt, cut them at an angle, whatever makes your heart happy. Regardless, now we're going to sew a narrow hem on these. We are gonna start with the short ends first. Sew a row of stitching 1/4 inch from the raw edge of the fabric. Turn the hem over so the stitching is about 1 millimeter or 2 away from the folded edge. Then sew again right on top of the stitch line the best you can. Now trim down the seam allowance close to the line of stitches. It's much easier to cut the seam allowance holding the fabric like this, but once you have it trimmed down, it should look like this. Now fold the hem over again, enclosing the raw edges, and press in place. Then we are going to sew one final row of stitching again right on top of the previous rows of stitches the best we can. You'll see on the front there will only be one visible row of stitching, and on the back is where you will see potentially 2 rows depending on how well your sewing went. If you need to, use your scissors to even out your points. And then move on to sewing a narrow hem on the other 3 sides, just like the one that I just demonstrated. I found my small scissors, which is making this a little bit easier. But I do think that the hardest part of this whole project is trimming down that seam. I'm doing the long sides now, and this is just gonna take forever. I'm just doing this for fun, and I'm complaining about it. Anyway, you can get a foot for your machine called a rolled hem foot. I don't have one of those. I don't really think it's something that I will invest in, because I don't often do a rolled hem. This is how far I got in 2 minutes. Then I have that far to go. I was able to finish the cutting at the super fast pace of about 7 inches per minute, and then just kept moving along with the project. And this is where I realized I should probably fix my posture so my back doesn't ache later. Okay, it's all hemmed. You will see from the outside, you will have one exposed seam, but on the inside, if you didn't do a great job lining them on top of each other, you might have 2. I did a better job in some spots than others. Like right here, I did a better job matching stitch lines on top of each other. On the front, you can see one line. Didn't do as great of a job lining them up. But it doesn't matter because you can't see them from the outside. That's the beauty of the rolled hem. I'm gonna take a second to put this in my hair and show you what it looks like. This was a super easy upcycling project. Great way to recycle an old satin pillowcase. And that's it. That's how you make one of these. Very easy project, great practice for rolled hems. I will wear this all the time. I'm gonna get busy now and make the other one for my friend. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like this video so I know to make more like it in the future. And if you want to see those future videos, please be sure to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!